educational workshop, How to Add a New Chart of Accounts into QuickBooks Online. Let's learn more about QuickBooks Chart of Accounts. A chart of accounts is a listing of the names of the accounts that a company has identified and made available for recording transactions in its general ledger. They are used to categorize like items. There are 5 main groups in the chart of accounts. Each group can have subgroups in them. Here are the 5. Assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. In this exercise, you will learn how to add a new chart of accounts into QuickBooks Online. I have a scenario for you. Your chart of accounts may have been set up already and you want to add a new account. A new account can be added to your chart of accounts with just a few clicks. Here's how. Go to the gearbox for settings. It should be located in the right corner of your screen. Then select Chart of Accounts. Select New to create a new account. In the Account drop-down menu, choose an account type. In the Detail Type drop-down menu, select the detail type that best fits types of transactions you want to track. Give your new account a name. You can use the info under the detail type to add a name that fits. Add a description. If you're adding a sub-account, select Is Sub-Account and then enter the parent account. Choose when you want to start tracking the money from the drop-down menu. Select today if the account you're tracking is brand new as of today. In the Account Balance field, enter the balance in the account as of today. If you started the account on another date, select Other. The Select the Date field, enter the date you want to start tracking the money in the account in QuickBooks. In the Account Balance field, enter the balance of the account for the date you choose. Don't forget to select Save and Close. Thanks for joining our educational workshop on how to add a new chart of account into QuickBooks Online. Look for our next educational workshop in our QuickBooks series.